Hello friends and followers. Well, here's a demo of the BW6100 transmitter after I changed this resistor, which the factory had 100K in here, and I took it up to 320K. It's supposed to be a 270K, but I took it to 320K, mainly because that's what I had on hand. I just put a resistor in series with this one, which was 100K. What did I have in here? I guess I don't know what I had, but now I got about 320K. So anyway, here's a demo of that improvement. That made the heterodyne oscillator have a lot more favorable power on the higher crystal frequencies that are involved with the mixing scheme in this thing. At any rate, all that said, 80 meters here. 80 meters. Let's give it a squirt here and see what it does now. Transmit. Get the plate tuned up. A little bit of plate there, a little bit of power. 80 meters, we don't really need much of this loading, I don't think. But I forget. All right, I'm going to take the carrier to full power here and see what it does. So we're getting 125 watts and 80 meters now, and that's enough. That's with the 6146B boy final, 6146Bs I put into it today, which I had laying around. I kind of reverted to the old finals just because I figured something was mismatched, but I actually could get 100 watts out of this thing with the 6146Bs by injecting the IQOM 7300 with 1 watt into here. So I should have known better than put the old finals back into it. When you inject amateur radio frequencies here and tune it up and get 100 watts out, you know from here to here you're good to go. From here on back it's suspicious, so I should have known better. Anyway, that was 80 meters. Let's now go to 40 meters. Stand by 40 meters. 40 meters there, and transmit. A little more power. Tune this for 40. Let's see, come on. Tune that for 40. That's pretty much spot on. Tune the plate. Do I get a dip here? No, not really. All right, there's some power on 40. Let's give it a hard pound here and see what it does. 125 watts on 40, so that's perfect. I'll take that. Okay, 20 meters. Let's see what that does. Let's go to 20 here. Let's peak it for some drive. Give it more carrier. There's a little bit. Yeah, 20 is kind of punky. It's not that powerful. A little bit of power out. Let's peak the plate. A little bit of power. Okay, so I haven't messed with the load at all. Load is pretty much at 0. We know 20 wants some load, so let's give it some load here. And repeat it. All right, I'm gonna give it full carrier now. I'm gonna 4 carrier, let's see. That's not so good, but I know I can get a little more out of it if you tweak around with the load. Okay, now I've increased the load a bit. Repeat the plate. Let's give it a smack here. No, it's, well, a little better. Let's see. Increase the load. That's actually check the plate current down now, which it should. Give it a hard smack. Yeah, it's going up. A little more load. Plate. So 20 is kind of hard to tune, but okay, going down. So that's all we're gonna get probably. About 75 watts. Let's do a drive peak here again. Oh, look at that. So the drive was out of whack to the plate peak. Yeah, I thought I got 100 watts out of 20 here last time I tried it. Let's see now. Okay, now we go for full power. Well, there's 90 watts. It's pretty darn close. So now we muck around with the load a bit more. Increase it a tad. Oh yeah, look at that. Dip the plate. Give it a smack of full power now. Wrong way. Take the load down. Peak the plate. Go to full power. About 100 watts. So that's about all I can do on 20, which is fine. That'll get us through. Okay, 15 meters is probably the weakest band in this thing. Is 15 actually. 15. It's taken a lot of work to get this thing to go this well. Probably a month because I didn't know what the hell I was doing with this thing. Never had one. Lots of learning. Eventually you become intimate with how this thing works and then it goes better. All right, transmit. A lot of power already coming out. Dip it. It seems like the load on 20 and 15 is about the same. Let's peak the drive. That's pretty good. All right, we got lots of plate coming out already, so let's try some full power here. 55 watts roughly. It's not the worst in the world for 15, but I can get 100 watts driving this thing with the 7300, so it's a disappointment. That tells me my internal circuitry still needs some work here. Okay, full power, 50 watts. I thought I could get 75 out. I'm taking the load down now. Full power. Okay, it needs more load. Needs more load. Phone call coming in. Nope, phone call is not coming in. Okay, let's go to more load. Whoa, look at that. I'm tuning the plate now, it's hair trigger. A couple degrees and it just whacks out. So now we're pretty much at full power. More load. Yeah, 15 is real tricky to tune. So now I gotta decrease the load a good bit. I can hear the transmitter power supply humming. Take the load down. Take the load up. Yeah, it's real sensitive. At any rate, it's probably all I'm gonna get. Increase the load a little bit. Nope, let's go load down. There it goes. Boy, it's hard to tune this thing. Load down a hair. Peak it. That's probably all it's gonna do, and it's sucking a lot of plate current down too, so let's forget about that. All right, 10 meters, the treble band. Let's see what that'll do. 10, 10, 10. Yeah, this thing needs neutralized, so it hasn't really been neutralized well yet. Haven't done that. Okay, 10 meters. Let's try it out. Power on. Full drive. Let's peak this thing up. Drive. Got drive. Dip the plate. Plate really slams down on this thing. No power. Yeah, it really swings. So I got drive. Probably this is all whack now with a load. Let's see, load down. Let's go load up and peak it. Load down. Power, there we go. So I can get 50 watts out of it. You can hear it humming though, and it takes a lot of power when it's tuned wrong. So it needs neutralized badly. Anyway, 75 watts with a lot of current. You can see it's really straining. All right, well, this shows you the state this thing's in, so it needs neutralized. But it's working. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.